The following is a public service announcement by the Ministry of Health.
On January 30th, 2020, the World Health Organization declared the 2019 novel coronavirus a public health emergency of international concern. Currently, the Bahamas has no suspected, reported, or confirmed cases of the 2019 novel coronavirus. Moreover, the Ministry of Health is closely following the global development of the virus. In view of the implemented border control and quarantine measures for travelers to the Bahamas as a component of its 2019 novel coronavirus emergency preparedness and response plan, the Ministry of Health advises the public that residents returning to the Bahamas who have a history of travel to China within 20 days of commencing travel will be quarantined on arrival in the Bahamas for up to 14 days. During this quarantine period, persons will be monitored for the development of symptoms. Additionally, contact with non-health personnel, such as families and friends, will not be permitted. The Ministry of Health requests the understanding and support of the general public during this time to ensure the protection and well-being of all our residents and visitors. These public health measures are being taken to minimize the risk of introduction of the 2019 novel coronavirus and to protect the health of the population.
The proceeding was a public service announcement by the Ministry of Health.